Well, it's an honor to be associated with Indore Management Institute. To make this lockdown more constructive and meaningful, IMI has taken a very nice initiative and using this modern means of technology to share the knowledge with all the students out here. I, architect Arjun Hablani from Hablani Architects Private Limited, Indore, India, would like to share my experience pre-COVID 19 and post-COVID 19 with you all on design and construction. You know, I always remember a story out here. There was a person in a beautiful resort and he wanted to type his wife that I wish you were here, and inherently he typed I wish you were her. I hope you can understand how much trouble he might have had by just missing that small e of here. So I think we all were in a very hurry before COVID 19. It's a good time to take pause, think about yourself, the meaning of your life, and where you wish to be. I think this positive effects which are given by COVID 19 means a lot to all of us. It's good time we have got to look back the same. I like to share about the design process, ideas I feel are very important. This COVID 19 has given us a thought to look back to our roots. You know, during ancient times, we all were supposed to keep our shoes outside the house and then get inside the house. And you were supposed to wash your hands and feet, and even when the moment when you happen to come back to your home from your business, you were supposed to take bath and then get on to the dining. I think one has to understand this, why it was necessary. We all know the moment you keep out your shoes, all the germs and bacteria remains out. And the moment you take bath and sit for the dining, you wash away with all the germs which you are carrying back to your home. This is very important. In fact, whatever we have been designing in our projects, we have been designing a gym in our project, so people have started understanding the meaning of gym and enjoying the same at their home. We have been designing home theaters. People are enjoying the home theaters at their home. This is very important that home has become the biggest asset of a person now and the most enjoyable place. I think the designing factors definitely has changed a lot post COVID 19. When you talk about office, before you used to welcome all the clients coming to your office. Your office was a luxury place to showcase to your clients. Well, now, do you really want to bring the clients to your office? Or you just want to have a discussion with him with a good isolation, and then the moment he goes away, properly sanitize again, so that all the germs and bacteria doesn't enter to your office, and in no way you would like to show him the entire office. The time has changed. The culture of work from home has definitely started in our own profession. Architects and interiors never had this kind of working earlier, though it was there in IT offices, but now it's getting more and more popular. We all are working from home. The good part of this working from home is that we get a very good time to understand designs more better. You save a time on fuel, you save a time on traveling, and all this time can be used for the different webinars, for the different knowledge sessions, for the different studies you are taking up to. I recently joined one of the course from the Harvard University and it has changed my perception of looking at a design. You know, architects are the people who keep on learning at each and every point of their lives. Architecture has to be learned, it is not taught. So, this learning is there till the end of our lives. We keep on keeping ourselves updates at each and every moment of our lives. And it's very important for all of us, not just architects. Well, there are lots and lots of things happening post COVID 19. We talk about construction, what is going to happen there? You see all the workers going back to their hometown. I think it's a good time where we have to understand that home is the best place on this earth. The way we used to say, whether you go east, west, north or south, home is always best. Everyone wishes to enjoy the home, sitting at home and working from home. But then this work culture, you have to have a fabulous time management at your home. You have to understand your priorities of your life and how to move ahead on that. Well, that's all I like to say with here. It's an absolute great opportunity to talk to all IMI students and the faculties. Thanks to IMI for giving me this chance to speak to all of you and share my knowledge. Thank you very much. Hope to see you all again. Thank you. Bye-bye.